Hi, my name is Alan Beck, and I am the owner of AKOR Services, a business and marketing consulting company in Gresham, Oregon. One of the tools in a marketing toolbox is called affiliate marketing. I just wanted to discuss that a little bit for you today and explain to you a little bit about what it's about. In affiliate marketing, there is a company that manages the overall program. They set all the basic rules, do all the accounting and tracking, and generally facilitate the relationships between the advertisers and the marketers. They receive the money from the advertisers and distribute the commissions to the marketers. Businesses like yours, also known as advertisers, may need help in marketing their products and services. You may already have a relationship with a marketing company. An affiliate marketing program could be done either by your current marketing company or could be done additionally to it. You will see why that's important in a minute. Your business could sign up with an affiliate marketing program manager. There are several different program companies available. You would carefully read and abide by their terms and conditions. You would create specific offers and commission structures for each offer, and they would be listed on the program manager's website. You would add all the specific requirements to each offer which potential marketers must abide by. Similarly, marketers would sign up with those programs as well. They must agree to the program manager's stipulations. They would be looking to offer their marketing expertise to market and help sell the advertiser's products and services. They are paid a commission as set up by the advertiser when those products and services are sold. Here's how it all works. Marketers review all the available advertisers, their profiles, and their offers. There are statistics on previous product sales, commissions, and of course all the products and services offers that are available. They choose which advertisers and offers to pursue. Advertisers can choose to open up their offers to all marketers or can choose to review and accept or reject marketers on an individual basis. In this case, marketers must apply to the advertisers. Marketers and advertisers need to be a good fit for each other, but the beauty for advertisers is that they may have many marketers working for them, abiding by the requirements and extending their reach to many more potential customers. Before I wrap this up, just a couple more notes. There is a program called pay-per-click. What I don't like about those programs is that marketing companies are paid each time that the link is clicked. Yes, the advertiser gets exposure. The problem is that the pay-per-click program, there is no guarantee of a sale, but the marketer gets paid anyway. I'm sure you can see the problem with that scenario. With an affiliate marketing program, clicking links is still involved, but it's actually called a conversion because in those links, the new customer has indicated that they are ready to buy the product or service. That's an important difference for the advertiser. Here's my contact information, and I'll put the information in the description of the video as well. If you would like more information, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. There is way too much get-rich-quick information on affiliate marketing on YouTube videos. Don't believe everything you see. As always, I'm looking out for my clients' best interest and trying to get good explanations out there about how these programs work. If you find this information useful, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I am not paid by anyone for this video or for other reviews that I post. I'm here to give you the facts.